You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
My name is Jean, and I'm at the Riparian Preserve in Gilbert. And this is my first place that I came to when I moved here. It's a great place to begin birding.
Yeah, most of these are mallards, ducks. Some of them are hybrids. Well, welcome to the Water Ranch. This is a wonderful site. I hope it will be one of many visits here. It's about 110 acres.
It's a perfect mindfulness activity. I can't bird without being completely present. Listening. The listening is really important to me.
Just in case it pops up. Oh, little bitty. Oh, yes. Yeah, song sparrows are all over the country. They don't sound the same. There are regional accents for birds, which I know it sounds kind of crazy, but it's true. But that cadence is very similar all over the country. That
That's Jean Janu on a bird walk with Kathe Anderson at the Riparian Preserve in Gilbert. If you have suggestions or think the show is just quacking you up, then send us a note, theshow@kjzz.org.